How to complete the California voter registration card. When completing the California voter registration card, please make sure you write clearly using blue or black color ink. You should fill out a voter registration card if you are a new voter, are pre-registering to vote, have changed your name, have moved, or want to change your political party preference, or any other information on your voter record. You can also register or pre-register to vote online at registertovote.ca.gov. Please note, if you have previously served a state or federal prison term and have completed serving that term, your voting rights have been restored, and you are eligible to register to vote. Section 1. Qualifications. Please check the boxes to indicate if you are a United States citizen and a California resident, and you will be 18 years or older by election day, or you are 16 or 17 years old and want to pre-register. Section 2. Your legal name. You are required to provide your first name, your middle name if you have one, and your last name, including any suffix such as junior or senior. Section 3. Identification. You will need to provide your date of birth, your California driver's license or California ID card number, if you have one, the last 4 numbers of your Social Security number, if you have one, and the U.S. state or foreign country of your birth. Section 4. The address where you live. You must provide your street address, including your apartment number or unit number, if applicable, your city, your zip code, and your California county. You cannot use a P.O. Box number or a business address for this section. If you do not have a street address, you can give an exact description of where you live using cross streets or landmarks. Section 5. The address where you receive mail. If you have a different mailing address, provide it here. You may use a P.O. Box or business address as your mailing address. Section 6. Registration history. If you were previously registered, you should provide your legal name, your previous address, and your previous political party preference, if any. Section 7. Vote by mail. All active registered voters will be mailed a vote-by-mail ballot for every election. Section 8. Political party preference. You can choose from the following political parties: American Independent Party, Democratic Party, Green Party, Libertarian Party, Peace and Freedom Party, or Republican Party. You may also select Other, which you will need to write in. If you don't want to choose a political party, you may check the No Party/None box. Section 9. Optional voter information. You may include your email and phone number. You may select your language preference for receiving election materials in the following languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, Hindi, Japanese, Khmer, Korean, Tagalog, Thai, Vietnamese. You may also select Other language and write the language in the blank space provided. If no box is checked, voter materials will be provided in English. You may also select the box to request voting materials in an accessible format. You have the option to select the box to be a poll worker and to include your ethnicity/race. Section 10. Affidavit. You must sign and date the red box in order to complete your registration. When you sign, you are swearing and affirming that you are a U.S. citizen and a resident of California and at least 16 years old, that you are not currently serving a state or federal prison term for the conviction of a felony, that you are not currently found mentally incompetent to vote by a court, that you understand that it is a crime to intentionally provide incorrect information on the card, and that you declare, under penalty of perjury, under the laws of the state of California, that the information on the card is true and correct. If someone has helped you fill out or deliver the card, they must complete the blue box found on the bottom right-hand side of the card. When finished, tear and keep the bottom part as your receipt and keep it until you receive a notice from your county. Fold and tape to seal your voter registration card, but please do not staple. No postage is necessary if the card is mailed in the United States. You can check your registration status at voterstatus.sos.ca.gov.